So a few days ago, the OnePlus 8 was leaked. We know exactly what it's going to look like. This is a device that's not even coming out for the next 6 months. I mean, we just got the OnePlus 7T. The OnePlus 7T Pro is being announced on October 10th, but we now have a full render of exactly what the OnePlus 8 is going to look like. And the big update to this is going to be a cosmetic one. It's going to get a hole punch for a front-facing camera. Right now, if you buy any 6T or 5T or even the new 7T, right now, you have a very, very small water drop notch. The OnePlus 7 Pro and even the upcoming 7T Pro is using a pop-up camera instead, which is a different way of getting that front-facing selfie. Now, the crazy thing about this is that the hole punch has always been associated with Samsung. I mean, they're using it across their flagship devices, so it's kind of weird to see it on a OnePlus device. I know Huawei's done it first, but they only did it on a lower-end phone that no one really cares about. This is good because it's going to give them an opportunity to change the way the phone looks. And because Samsung's making this display, it's easy for OnePlus to incorporate it. The hole punch is slightly smaller, so they're gonna have slightly more screen real estate to work with, which means they can make the size of the screen slightly bigger. Now, there are a couple of new features coming to the OnePlus 8. One, which we found out during the event, or the 7T event, the CEO said on stage that the OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro is going to be water resistant. They're gonna strap the phone to me and throw me in the water. Now, if they do that, that's great. This is one of the main features that's been missing from OnePlus devices for its entirety. But we're also gonna get something we've always wanted as well: wireless charging. I care about this. I used to never care about it, but when you start putting wireless charging pads around your house, around your studio, it becomes super convenient. You just drop it on, it does its thing, you take it off when you need it, and that's it. The other thing that caught me off guard was the design. This is gonna look exactly like the OnePlus 7 Pro, from the vertical cameras to the chunkier design, and say goodbye to the flat display. The 7T is probably gonna be the last OnePlus device with a flat display. And this is kind of disappointing to me because I prefer a flat display to type on. It's just significantly easier. It's also easier to hold. When your fingers get on a flat display, you can just type faster. When you go to the 8 Pro, you may not notice it, but it's taking a part of your life away because it makes it a little bit more difficult to type on. Now, this also begs the question, is OnePlus cannibalizing their lineup? Because right now, the 7T is a better deal than the 7 Pro. And is that gonna happen with the 8 series as well? Now, obviously, OnePlus is gonna release the 8 in some regions, the 8 Pro in others, and then do a complete flip for the T series of it. But it just makes me think that most people are gonna wanna wait for the T series because it's going to be cheaper and provide similar features. I don't know about you, I'm kind of excited for the OnePlus 8. They're bringing the wireless charging, they're bringing water resistance, features we've always wanted on these devices. They'll finally be playing with the exact same features as all flagship smartphones on the market, and the best part about it, it's gonna have that lower price tag. Anyways, that wraps this up. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.